Howdy. Well, despite all the noise to my ears in the background, I decided to come out here and talk to you guys this morning. It's 9:30ish, and I've been up since 6 because Pauline wanted to get the keys back. And so I went there at 8 o'clock, and I handed over the keys and Stephanie's keys, did a walkthrough, labeled some things that I hadn't labeled before, and talked and so on and so forth. When I came back here, pulled into the carport, it was weird. It was like I had nothing to do. I was aimless, Came in, started watching some videos, started doing this and that, and sort of settled down. Didn't look at schoolwork, because after all, not only have I designated August as my month to do things, we don't start school till September the 14th, so really, that's a lot of time. So I'm good. I'm good with all that, so it's all right. And then just now, what made me feel better was last night. Okay, what made me feel bad last night was I went through my keyring, got off all the school keys, packaged them up, sealed the bag, and looked at the rest of the keys on my keyring. And there was one key that I just could not place. I thought, okay, this is a lock, one of those cable locks that Manny gave me. That's somewhere, in a box. No problem, I know what that is. But this key here, this little silver key, what is that? And I thought, okay, this is my mind going, right? I hate that when keys show up and you don't know where they go. Pauline just texted me saying, darn, forgot to get this one key from you. But hey, whatever, doesn't matter. That was the key that I couldn't place. It's the key to the cabinet at St. Benedict's that I've never used, that is, supposed to take all my, hold all my storage at St. Benedict's. The one key I forgot to include. Damn. But she says, never mind. But I feel so much better because now I know all the keys on my key ring. Every single one, I know what they are. The one with no number on it, that's the cable lock well, it's not a cable lock. It's a lock attached to a cable that Manny gave me for locking all my cupboards with one red cable that went around. Yeah. So it's just a random lock to. Anyway, that's done. My mind is not going. I know all the keys on my keychain. And so I feel better. So despite the fact that it is chilly out here, I'm sitting out here in my 8 t-shirt, which is nice and big and warm enough because it's only 15 degrees again. Come on, it's almost the 1st of July. This is the 30th. Tomorrow is Canada Day. It's supposed to be warm by now. Yeek, June is over. Oy. Swimming was good yesterday. I will get there on time today, and then tomorrow it'll go back to the time that I thought it was. But I'll get there a little earlier because I didn't like at the end of my swim, it was getting crowded. So So I'll go there that half an hour earlier. So quiet. Oh, that's nice. I don't know what they're doing over there, but it's noisy, and I don't appreciate it. I want it quiet when I go outside. And even when it's quiet, it's not quiet. That machine is still puttering away, humming, just not active. The birds are allowed to twitter, but machinery is not supposed to be going. It smells good. Fresh and clean. All the rotting leaves have been removed. My husband removed them all the other day. So it smells wonderful around here. And the tree up front is starting to smell that sickly sweet that it smells. Yep, there it is. Yes. There's a cardinal. Yeah. And there's a robin. Sparrows. Ooh, something else in there. Ah, blue jay. The one day they didn't win was the day we went to see them. The other 2 days they won. Can't win every game, right? Gotta try. Okay. I'm going to enjoy this day. I'm going to enjoy this summer.